Of you that are doing AI content, honestly, your channel is going to get deleted, removed. In fact, when I mean your channel, I don't only mean just YouTube. I mean including your Facebook account, possibly your TikTok account, because of a lot of things that you guys are doing. You know, one thing that has literally gone viral right now that every single person is diving into is AI content, AI content, AI content. But some people are not taking their time to read the rules and regulation regarding to AI content before jumping into it. Honestly, there are a lot of things that AI channels are doing that are literally wrong. Despite the fact that I am not too strong, I told myself I still need to confirm this video. So, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Vibe with Sonia. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I want to say a very big thank you to every single one of them that literally stayed with me all this while, even when I am not active. I really appreciate you guys. I do not take you guys for granted, okay? So if you're owning an AI channel, the first thing you should literally do is to research which content is highly monetizable. And the moment you know the contents that are highly monetizable, I will wish or ask you to choose a niche that is favorable. And one of the niche that has literally gone viral in recent time, be it you're checking it on your Facebook or your Instagram, on your TikTok, on YouTube, are folktale channels where they literally tell engaging stories, create engaging AI animation, and get their channel monetized to enjoy. But one thing that will literally demonetize a lot of channel is one, repetition of content. I see a lot of people repeating content east, west, north, and south just because the content is favorable on their platform, and of which I feel like if you're repeating content, that is actually going to be reused content, and YouTube might demonetize you, TikTok might demonetize you. Oh, sorry, except if you are monetized on the international TikTok account, but Facebook might literally demonetize you as well. Now, the second thing I see people do mostly, and that is the worst one that really gives me headache, right, is people slaughtering or cutting or butchering. I don't know if that English is correct, right? Live animal, thinking that, oh, just because it's AI, nothing is literally going to happen. So if you're fond of doing content of using cutlass to butcher, splitting blood, doing content where you literally have to be maltreating a child over and over again, you might get deleted. Have it at the back of your mind that YouTube is very, very concerned with anything relating to children content. Even if you like be AI content channel, be a normal channel, you have to be very careful and have it at the back of your mind that YouTube is also not fond of splitting blood east, west, north, and south. Like, they're highly against it. They tag that as violent content. So I am not saying you should not generate content like that, but stop the act of butchering life. Like, I saw a particular video, let me use that one as example, where this lady literally butchered a live goat. It's actually an AI video, right? But she butchered an a live AI goat, and it was really gushing out blood. Some ones I see them butchered fish. Do you get a live fish that they will say, oh, we caught it from the river, blah blah blah? That can actually get your channel demonetized. Please run from content like that. Another thing that might get a lot of you demonetized is YouTube has made it available here that you need to choose that my content is altered, my content is not altered. A lot of you guys are doing AI content. You don't even care to choose if your content is altered or not. Now, this is how altered content work. If you're uploading a video and you get to that point where you're saying altered content, what you need to do is to choose, if you're using AI, you're doing AI video, choose yes, my content is altered. Do you get? Now, if you're not doing AI videos and you're doing normal video, just like me, that is using my face, everything to do this particular video, now I'm going to be choosing no, it is not altered. Now, have it at the back of your mind that be it your content is altered or not altered, it doesn't really mean that it's going to have like a special effect on it. Do you get? YouTube is not going to reduce the amount you're going to be making or reduce the amount of publishing your video. They just want viewers to be aware that, oh, this video you're watching, it is not real human character. There's AI involved in every single thing. Okay, so it is not going to be too difficult for you to just obey the YouTube rules and regulation and then click on altered or not altered, be it you're doing AI channel or you're doing normal channels, right? Now, another thing again I want to really talk about, especially when it's concerning this AI channel, is your niche, right? If you want to really sell in the market of AI, look for a niche that is marketable. Look for a storyline that is well listened to, or something like that. I don't know how. I'll definitely put it so you guys will literally understand the point I'm coming from. And avoid using people's content. Avoid using people's generated AI images. Avoid it. I've been watching a lot of folktale story channels on Facebook recently, and I find out that if this person generates a story relating to Amaka, blah blah blah, and is selling so well, another person will go and generate exactly that kind of story as well. It is going to get your channel into trouble. Do you get? Facebook might match those contents as two the same copyright content, and if that person decides to flag your channel or flag your account, automatically you have lost every single hustle that you actually want to hustle. Do you get? And if it is on YouTube and the copyright content actually matched, YouTube might literally just show it to the person, and the person will flag you, and you will get demonetized, or your channel might get removed from the YouTube platform. So in essence, I'm not saying that AI contents are not good. They are very good. They are monetizable. That is one thing you should know. You can monetize your AI content, but you have to literally be very careful with what you bring out here. Master the act of generating your script by yourself. Master the act of generating your images by yourself, and master the act of, if you have small money, pay for those websites so that you can get the top-notch clip. Because one thing that is making a lot of people not to sell on this niche is the fact that they don't want to pay. They want to keep using the free version of the app, and at the end of the day, you are not going to generate that strong concrete content that will pop up and get people's attention. So if you want to make it with AI content in 2026, I'll also advise you to learn AI skills. There are people that know this. I'm not good with AI. I don't have any AI channels, okay? But there are people that knows more about AI. Reach out to them, get their courses, learn from them, let them be able to put you through so that you don't do things blindly. Because one of the things that is dragging a lot of people backward today, that they feel like content creating is frustrating, they are tired, they don't want to do anymore, is because they are doing a lot of things blindly. And the more you keep doing a lot of things blindly, the more you're not getting to the point where you're supposed to get. Okay, I hope that is clear. Keep your channel safe. Keep your channel safe from YouTube. Don't overdo things, okay? Just do things at your own pace, okay? Anyways, I hope this video is able to help someone out there. If it does, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. I'm sorry I came like this, but I just feel like this is very important. Let me put it out here, okay? And yeah, with that being said, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys.